Dividing 3 to 4 digit number by 1 digit number without remainder. For example, we have here 144 divided by 9. 144 is the dividend and 9 is the divisor. In division, we can write it like this. This is called the long division. The first step in division is dividing from the highest place value. So we have 1 divided by 9 cannot be, so we're going to take the next digit. So we have 14 divided by 9 is equal to 1. We're going to put 1 on the top of 4. Then we're going to multiply 1 times 9 is equal to 9. Place 9 below 4, and then we're going to subtract. 14 minus 9 is equal to 5. Place 5 below 9, and then we're going to bring down the remaining digit in the dividend, 4. So we're going to bring down 4. Next is we're going to repeat this step 1 to 3. So we have 54 divided by 9 is equal to 6. You place 6 on the top of 4 and then multiply 6 times 9 is equal to 54, and then we subtract 54 minus 54 is equal to 0. So we have the answer 16, or this is called the quotient, and the remainder is 0. Another example is 165 divided by 5. 165 is the dividend and 5 is the divisor. We'll write it like this, then proceed to division. First step is divide. Divide the digit on the highest place value in the dividend. 1 divided by 5 cannot be, so we will take the next digit in the dividend. So we have 16 divided by 5 is equals to 3. Place 3 on the top of 6. Then we multiply 3 by 5, so we have 15. Place 15 under 16. Then we subtract 15 from 16. 16 minus 15 is equal to 1. The next step is bring down the next digit or the remaining digit on the dividend. Bring down 5. Then we repeat step 1 to 3. Divide 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. Then place 3 above 5. Then multiply it with 5. So we got 15. Place 15 under 15. Then subtract. 15 minus 15 is equal to 0. Finally, we have our quotient 33 and its remainder 0.